On this problem, you have a table and you have a bunch of equations here, and it says here are the steps for decimals. You click on the plus sign to insert a table. You're going to type in your x in x1 and your y's in y1, and then you're going to type in the answer choices on number 2. So that's what we're going to do. Let me open up decimals. As you can see, I already did that. Really quick, I click on plus, insert the table, and I start typing these numbers in here. And they're already done that. And then from there, I start typing in each answer choice right here. So you can see these are color coded. Now on this one, we have 2 of the same ones. If you want to change the color on this one, you just click on the circle for a couple of seconds. Sorry about that, I clicked on the wrong one. Click on the circle for a couple of seconds and this will open up. And you say, you know what, I want it orange, just to differentiate from the other ones. And now each one has a different color. From here, what you're going to do, so I'm just going to press these arrows over here to hide this because I don't need that right now. And I'm just going to zoom out or move the graph around. And I already can see there's one graph that's already touching points. Let me zoom out a little bit more. And there's only one graph that's touching the points there. So which graph is that one? So if you just click on that line, that graph that's touching those points, it's going to highlight the answer on this side, and the answer on this one, it is G.